In the food and beverage industry, a key concern relating to the Food Safety Modernization Act and food safety schemes is increased demand for traceability, which includes identifying foreign material in a controlled and managed environment. Peco Inspects, in partnership with Domino, has created an industry-wide solution to support these requirements from the FDA. Peco Inspects is dedicated to the science and application of X-ray technology in inspection systems for the food, beverage, and pharmaceutical industries.
My name is Martin Lim. I'm the VP of Sales with Peco Inspects. Peco Inspects is a technology leader in the X-ray inspection industry based out of San Francisco, California, for food and beverage products across the food and beverage industry.
Using advanced imaging technology, Peco Inspects is able to inspect for a variety of foreign materials and defects in can and glass jar applications, even something as small as 0.8 millimeters.
One of the challenges of a canning application is the high speeds that cans run at. In a canned product, we're taking an X-ray image and automatically identifying any defects in that can.
Best practices dictate that when a foreign material containment is detected, it is not only removed from the line, but also documented and its source understood. This is where the Domino coding of the rejected package comes into play.
My name's David Deagle. I'm the Sector Development Manager for the canning industry for Domino North America. In collaboration with Peco Inspects, we have come up with a solution that provides perfect coding, perfect traceability, and the ability to find Peco Inspects nomenclature codes that the Domino printer can put on your cans.
Why Domino and not somebody else? But their commitment to the canning industry in particular was much stronger in their field, and their engineering resources have made what looks like a complicated task a very straightforward integration.
By partnering with Domino, Peco Inspects is able to print the traceability codes on the packaging using the Domino CIJ printers. Then, by matching the code on the image at the Inspects X-ray system to the code on the rejected package, the client can quickly find the foreign material.
That's what this solution is specifically aimed at, and if we can tell them from the image that can number 123 has got a big rock in it, they know what they're looking for. If you can tell them that can number 456 is an underfill can, they know not to waste their time. And the reason that's important to the customer is time is money. That's where we're really delivering a solution.
Because of the speeds that food canning lines are moving these days, the ability to actually track down the can that got rejected is the major solution that we're providing now with the marriage between Peco Inspects and Domino's printing solution.
It's now available as a first in the industry to any existing user or new user of the Peco Inspects and Domino equipment.